I really wanted to have the space lit by light pollution because we're in the center of a city. There is a lot of pollution, and I felt that light pollution would really animate the space.
As an interior designer and the host of Design Seed, I'm always in search of amazing or inspiring interior design and architecture contents. When I travel across the world, I always look for extraordinary projects to visit. This time around, during our visit to London, we came across this unique project, and that's what we're going to share it with you today. Today's episode on Design Seed, we will be revealing a converted warehouse in the heart of London that initially looked like this. And with the impact of design and architecture, the outcome turned out like this. Hello everyone, my name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel or have not subscribed to our channel yet, please click on the subscribe button to stay in the loop of more design and architecture captivating contents. Ever heard of upside down living? Moving the living areas to the upper floor and bedrooms on the lower floor, this design maximizes views, natural light and privacy. In the heart of London's art and design district, we didn't expect to discover an architecture gem embracing this upside down living concept. On Clerkenwell and Old Street sits a 19th century warehouse topped with a black and modern glass box. In the background, a church spire towers over it.
This property is an Edwardian building, so it was built at turn of the 20th century. It hadn't been maintained, it hadn't been improved since the 1970s, so it was very rough. When we actually got onto site to do the demolition, it was evident that the materials were robust enough and couldn't be reused, unfortunately. So we actually kept the whole facade and the whole original structure of the building, which was the Edwardian brick in stock bricks. So Alex, come upstairs. We've seen the rooms on the ground floor and first floor. Come upstairs to the top floor, which really embraces this beautiful view of the church I was talking about.
Oh my God, look at this gorgeous view. On the top floor, the stairs leads to an unusual glass box extension. This is the generous open plan living and dining area. The interiors are a balance between modern and its industrial past, mixing clean lines of metal and glass with exposed brick textures.
I wanted to create light going down the warehouse because actually it is a warehouse in a very tight urban conurbation. So by creating glass landings, I was creating this vista all the way down the building to almost like funnel light down into the lower floors.
To the left, the breathtaking dining area is surrounded by glass windows, celebrating the beautiful view. The stunning view of the St. Luke's Cathedral inspired Marta to change the orientation of the entire home towards it. The side with the kitchen is enclosed with a white wall, but a 300mm glass pane breaks up the wall in the middle, creating a controlled view of the busy Old Street. Surrounded by two walls, the living area is designed for more privacy. The cozy den-like atmosphere is enhanced by the exposed brick walls and a wood-burning fireplace. Adding a touch of modernity, the sleek furniture creates a timeless space. With sliding doors that open onto a sunny roof terrace, The entire living and dining area feels cozy, even though the ample of use of glass expose the space. The terrace with modern furniture in black organic forms creates a secluded space surrounded by a sprawling green canopy. It almost feels like being in a treehouse. On the first floor sits 2 minimalist bedrooms and attached bathrooms within the original structure of the home. The master bedroom is a cozy, quiet space furnished with character in pieces of contemporary art. In similar minimalist style, the second bedroom is a warm cocoon painted in timber tones. However, the highlight here is the master bathroom. Featuring wall-to-wall mirrors, the bathroom takes on a sleek, futuristic vibe in its infinite reflection.
So I felt if I use mirror on the walls and the ceiling, it'll just give it this infinite space. And also by including a window in it, looking up at the sky, it made it even more infinite, that you could lie in the bath and look out at the clouds.
At the ground floor, we are greeted by a functional workspace. The walls of exposed bricks from the original Victorian building add soul to the space, while a black glass table reminds us of modernity.
I came up with this idea of having a company called Domstay. Dom means home, house in Polish. So the idea of having like homestay.
Marta describes herself as a psychotherapist for buildings, like a curator finding all disused objects and transforming it. The challenge that comes with redesigning an old building is losing the identity of the original building in the process. Here, Marta's empathetic touch has beautifully preserved the story of the warehouse by retaining a rustic industrial language throughout. Yet, she adds a modern touch to the home with her carefully curated minimalist interior style, creating a serene space that allows the scenery to shine. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. Please support us by sharing and subscribing to our channel to keep us motivated to creating more design and architecture content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week.